So good day, ma'am. Today, we are going to discuss about the Zenier diet and the different types of the Zenier diet that we use in our specialization, which is electronics engineering. To start, let's define what a Zenier diode is. Standard diodes usually only allow current to flow in one direction, and they can be damaged if the voltage flows in reverse. However, the Zener diode is unique because it is designed to allow current to flow in the reverse direction once the voltage exceeds a specific value called the Zener voltage. Instead of being destroyed by breakdown, Zenyrs are specifically doped to handle this through the Zener effect or impact ionization. Noon ani, they are considered the backbone of voltage regulation in electronics. In our field, we categorize these diodes based on their power ratings, voltage tolerance, and packaging. So let's go through the 10 types mentioned in my report. First is the low voltage regulators. Um, Kani ang pinaka-common nga type gigamit nila para mahatag og steady preference or reference voltage para sa mga microcontrollers o digital logic gates. Ang ilang main job is to ensure nga ang atong sensitive components dili makadawat og overvoltage gikan sa usa ka fluctuating nga power supply. Second is the high power Zener diodes or what we call stud mount. If we are dealing with industrial power supplies or heavy-duty telecommunications equipment, kani atong gamiton. Usually, naa ni sila yung metal casings para mas dali ang pag-dissipate sa init, and they can handle power levels from 10 to over 50 watts. Next is the surface mount device or the SMD. For modern PCB designs, parehas sa smartphones o laptops, essentially kaayo ang SMD zeners. These are tiny components like SOT23 packages, and they provide voltage clamping maski gamay ra ang space sa hardware. The fourth is the temperature-compensated Zenyrs. Sa mga precision applications like high-end analog to digital converters, ang temperature changes makapausab sa voltahe. Kani nga diode gi-pair og forward bias diode para ma-cancel out ang voltage drift, ensuring a stable reference node. So muna siya the temperature compensated engineers. Next is the transient voltage suppressors or the TVS. Kani sila ang specialized branch sa engineers nga paspas kaayo mo react sa voltage spikes. Example ani kay mga spikes gikan sa lightning strikes or static discharge. Makita nimo ni sila protecting the I0 ports sa mga routers. Next is the low current seniors. Para sa mga battery operated devices or power efficiency is key. These diodes maintain a stable breakdown voltage maski low current ra ang nagdagan, which helps in extending the battery life of portable electronics. Seventh Zener diode is the tight tolerance Zeners, 1% or 2%. So standard seniors usually have 5% or 10% tolerance. Pero sa mga high precision RF or the radio frequency circuits, we need 1% or 2%. So these ensure nga ang tuning frequency sa usa ka oscillator magpabilin nga perfectly stable tungod ani nga kind of Zener which is the tight tolerance Zeners. Next is the bidirectional Zener diodes. Kani sila consist of two Zeners connected back-to-back sa usa ra ka package. It is used sa easy signal clipping o pag-protect sa data lines kung diin ang signal nag-oscillate between positive and negative voltages. Next for the bidirectional Zener diode is what we call the programmable or programmable Zener or shunt regulator. While technically an integrated circuit like the TL431, sila act as adjustable linears. They allow us engineers or student engineers to set a custom breakdown voltage gamit ang resistor divider, which is much accurate than a fixed diode. Lastly is the heavy-duty Xenier barriers. Sa mga intrinsically safe environments like oil and gas sensors, gigamit ni sila para ilimit ang energy sa circuit. So this prevents sparks that could lead to explosion to the areas like hazardous areas. In summary, the Xenier diode is more than just a simple component. It is a versatile tool for voltage regulation, protection, and precision in circuit design. From small smartphones to large industrial sensors, understanding these 10 types of veneers help us choose the right component for the job in our specialization field, which is engineering or the electronics engineering. About my discussion. So that's all about my discussion for the veneer and the different types of veneer. Thank you.